Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ram Dhamija and I talk about markets and derivatives trading. So how does the market look today and what are the some of the things that we need to watch out? I will be discussing that. But just before that, how did yesterday pan out? Now, yesterday again was an excellent day and the option premiums just kept on melting again. So this was the third day after Friday, Monday, and then Tuesday, where there has been a linear decay in options, and which is great news for option sellers. Nifty straddle went down by almost 50 points, and Bank Nifty straddle went down by 100 points. Similar was in Sensex. So what this is indicating is that after a very rough expiry of Thursday, the linear decay in options is back. At least it was back for 3 days, and whatever loss happened on Thursday actually got recovered on Friday itself, and Monday and Tuesday was extra that we all gained from the market. So volatility has reduced in the market. The options are not spiking at all, and it looks like this particular month just might turn out to be very good for option sellers. After October was very rough and November was all right, so December hopefully should be very good for option selling. Now some of the things before the market opens that we need to look at. Dow yesterday was S&P and Dow were kind of flat to negative yesterday, and also the futures are indicating a slightly flat to green opening for US market, so there is nothing wrong over there. Gold is back at 2700 US dollars, so gold refuses to go down, and that is indicative that in the world money printing is happening at full swing. So gold prices, bitcoin prices, etc are all linked to what kind of money supply is there in the world right now. Crude is back at close to 73 US dollars. So earlier it was trading at 66, 67. So that's going up, but still it is in a range until unless it crosses 90. We don't have too much to worry, but it has actually gone to 73. So it is slightly inching up over there as well. In terms of another interesting data came out yesterday, that was in terms of the SIP data for retail. So SIPs have again touched about 40,000 crores inflows last month, which again is a very good number. Now, basically, this is the money which is holding up the markets. Now, what happens is that there is a lot of selling by FIIs. So FIIs had sold almost 1.1 lakh crores in October, and I think about 30-40,000 crores in November as well. In December, surprisingly, they have become net buyers, which I will just talk about in a moment. So FIIs are selling. The foreign companies who have stake in India, like we saw in the case of Hyundai, those guys are coming up with a lot of IPOs, and a lot of IPOs from Indian companies are also hitting. So that also sucks out a lot of liquidity from the system. And the third is the stake sale, which happens from Indian and international promoters. So all these things combined take out a lot of liquidity from the markets, and for markets to actually sustain, there needs to be a lot of inflow, which is coming from retail. So this SIP is the backbone of this particular stock market rally, and it's wrong to say we actually don't need FII money. We do need FII money, and this month we have seen when the FII money starts to come in, how the markets tend to rally. So this month already FIIs have pumped in about 14,000 crores into Indian equity markets, which is actually a great news for us. Now coming to how does the day look for today? The day looks absolutely fine. There is should not be any issue. So Nifty straddle still has about 234 points in it. Now one might argue that earlier, one DTE Nifty straddle would close at about 140. But this is meaningless now because we saw what happened on Thursday, that even at 2 o'clock on expiry day, the premiums were hovering around 200 points. So that really doesn't make too much difference now. But for whatever it is worth, it is 234 points right now. And Bank is about 1300 points and Sensex is about 1000 points in the straddle. So there is a lot of money which is still there in the options. And it will actually depend on how we are able to harvest this. So my suggestion to all, or advice to all, usually is that have a fixed stop loss system. In your stop loss system, it should be the system should be designed in such a way that your reward is actually much higher than the risk that you take, and you should actually stop the day you hit your stop loss. And also, in terms of position sizing, you should keep similar position sizing on all days if you can manage that kind of a system, because you just don't know when the decay is going to come. So having said that, that's all for today. Please like my channel and share it with your friends if you find the content useful. And I shall be back soon with another update. Thank you so much. Have a very profitable trading day.